Model, 68-plate Citroen Spacetourer Business Blue 1.5 Hdi S. None runner timing belt issues, easy repair, Euro 6 grade spec, no VAT. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 80,380. MOT, the 29th of December 2025. Engine, 1499 cc BLUEHDI 120 dV5 RUC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start. This came in with the timing in about, had jumped some teeth, so we read on the timing now the engine turns over, but it's popping from the intake. We suspect it has done the usual, damaged rockers or worst case bent the valves. Either way, straightforward repair if you know what you're doing with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it.